All right, so I've got the interior of the barn excavated. I've got the stone put down, and I've got the rebar put down. So I'll bring you inside and show you what was done. Okay. So what I did is I tried excavating all of this with the Massey GC2610 over there. But it really was too much for the little tractor. I did excavate all this area over here, this bent, with the tractor. It worked hard, but I got it done. And then I tried doing all this area, but it was pretty hard on the tractor. And there were some nails in here. No matter how many times I went over this with the magnet, I still found more nails. And of course, the tractor tires found nails. So I had to repair a couple of flat tires while working in here, and I got tired of doing that. And when I was trying to excavate this, I got a little bit done right through here with the Massey. The tires were spinning, and then as they spun, they dug ruts into the dirt, and I was having to deal with those. So I decided, let's just go with the real thing. So I rented a skid steer, and that made a huge difference. So I got this all excavated in a couple of hours with the skid steer, and then things kind of happened to work out just right for me. So I had the skid steer for Saturday. The guy that I rented it from was going to pick it up on Monday afternoon. This stone wasn't supposed to be delivered until Friday because they were backlogged. Then on Monday morning, I got a call from the stone guy. He said he was going to deliver the stone within an hour. So I called the rental guy for the skid steer, told him I wanted to keep it for the rest of the day. And so he agreed to that, and I came back and spread all the stone. So this was all done, the excavating was done on Saturday with the skid steer, and then it came in late Monday afternoon and spread all the stone with the skid steer. So then Monday afternoon I called the rental guy back and told him he could pick up the skid steer, but to bring a compactor with him. So he did that on Tuesday, and Tuesday late afternoon, early evening, I compacted all the stone with the compactor, and then came in this morning. Today is Tuesday. Came in this morning early, about 6:30, and finished up the compacting. And then the guys that are going to pour the concrete came in this morning and laid down all the rebar. So we're just waiting for the concrete to be poured. That's going to be in a week or two. And then the heavy stuff is done. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd appreciate it. I think I just heard a bear off in the woods. So thanks for watching.